Sixth one. Determine the number of 5 card combinations out of a deck of 52 cards if there is exactly one ace in each combination. So from a deck of 52 cards, we have to select a combination of 5. 5 cards we have to select, and one condition is there, if there is exactly one ace in each combination. So total in the deck of cards, total 52 cards are there, in which 4 are aces, 4 aces and 48 non-ace cards are there. So in the deck of 52 cards, 4 ace and 48 non-ace cards are there. So total there are 52 cards, 4 plus 48. 4 cards are ace, 48 are non-ace cards. Now from that, from 52 cards, we have to select 5 card combinations. We have to select 5 cards. So from 52, we have to select 5 cards. And if there is no restriction, directly we can find 52C5. We can find the number of combinations of 5 cards. But here there is restriction, that is, condition is there. That is, there is exactly one ace in each combination. Exactly, that word is very important. Exactly one ace. So no more than one ace is possible. Exactly one. One card should be there, one and only one. So in the 5 cards, only exactly one should be ace. So how many ways we can select 5? For one ace means there are 4 ace in the deck. From 4 ace, we need one ace. So from 4 ace, one ace should be selected. That can be selected in 4C1 ways. And we want total 5 cards. So 1 is ace. So that can be selected in 4C1 ways. And remaining 4 can be selected from 48 non-ace cards, because it should contain exactly one ace. So remaining 4 should be non-ace cards. So one ace can be selected in 4C1 ways, plus the remaining 4 should be non-ace cards. So from 48, 4 cards can be selected in 48C4. So from 48, we have to select 4 cards. So here one card from 4 ace can be selected in 4C1 ways, and 4 non-ace card remaining. Total 5 we need. 1 is ace and 4 is non-ace. So 1 ace can be selected in 4C1 ways, and 4 non-ace cards can be selected in 48C4 ways. So total, so 4C1 into, so total we want 1 plus 4, 5 cards. So corresponding to each selection, this can be selected in 48C4 ways. So we have to multiply. Required number is 4C1 into 48C4. Here we need 1, here 4. So 1 plus 4, 5 we select. So 1 plus 4, 5 cards we select. So 4C1 into 48C4. So required number equal to, answer is required number equal to 4C1 into 48C4. That is equal to 4C1 is 4. 4C1, that is 4. 4 into 48C4, that is 48 into 47 into 46 into 45. So this is 4. So 4 numbers we have to write. 48, 47, 46, 45. 4 numbers divided by 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. 4 factorial. That is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. So 45, 46, 47, 48. 4 numbers. 48 into like 4 numbers divided by 4 factorial. That is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. 4C1 is 4. Now simplify that and find the answer. Okay. Now see the question number 7. In how many ways can one select a cricket team of 11 from 17 players? So total 17 players are there. From that we have to select a team of 11. And from 17 players, in which how many ways can one select a cricket team of 11 from 17 players, in which only 5 players can bowl. So in the group of 17 players, only 5 players can bowl. So in the group of 17, only 5 can bowl, and remaining 12 cannot bowl. Now, so from the group of 17 players, in which 5 are bowlers and 12 are 12 cannot bowl. So from that group, we have to select a team of 11. And what is the condition? There is some condition. If each cricket team of 11 must include exactly 4 bowlers. Exactly, that word is very important. So no more than 4 bowlers are possible, but exactly 4 bowlers are needed in the team of 11. So we want total 11 in which 4 are bowlers. So here there are total 5 bowlers. So from that we have to select 4 bowlers. In how many ways? 5 C 4 ways. And the remaining 11, total 11 we need. From the 4 are bowlers and remaining 7. From 7, remaining 7 can be selected in how many ways? From 12 which cannot bowl. From those players we have to select 7 players. In how many ways? So from 5 bowlers, 4 bowlers can be selected in 5C 4 ways into, and from 12 others, 7 can be selected in 12C 7. So total 5 plus 12, 17 are there, in which from 5 are bowlers, and from 5 bowlers 4 can be selected in 5C 4 ways into, from the remaining 12, the remaining 7, 4 are selected from bowlers and remaining 7 can be selected from these in 12C 7 ways. So that is a required number. So required number equal to 5C4. 4 bowlers can be selected in 5C4 ways and remaining 7 can be selected in 12C7 ways. So 5C4 into 12C7. So total 11. So we want to select a team of 11 in which 4 should be bowlers and remaining should be from the others. So 5C4 into, so we have to multiply. Total we want 4 plus 7, 11, in which 4 are bowlers and others are from this group. So we multiply. So 5C4 into 12C7, that is equal to 5C. 5C4 equal to 5C, 5 minus 4. Apply the formula. NCR equal to NC n minus R. So 5C4 into 5C4 means 5C1 into 12C7 equal to 12C. 12 minus 7, that is 5. So 12C5. Then find the answer. 5C1, 5 into 12C5, that is 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 into 8. Divided by 5 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 into 8. Divided by 5 factorial. 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. So 5 can be cancelled and 3 into 4, 12 can be cancelled and 2 can be cancelled, 4. Then that is equal to, multiply and find the answer. Okay.